Hold on. Okay, got it. You recording? Yeah, go ahead. Alright. He's so intent on fighting it. Ooh. Uh-oh. Balancing. That's what we were waiting for. Come on, girl. Come on, Smokey. Bite it. Come on, Smokey. You know you want to eat it. Smokey. Come on, Smokey. Oh. There you go. Alright, back to him. Yeah, we trying to fight it. Your name is going to be Tiger. Come on, Tiger. No, Tiger, you can't bust out the cage. Right. Watch. He gonna come back. He gonna come and get it. He gonna fight it again. Watch. I told you. He gonna fight again. Move it through the thing.
Come on, yeah. Ooh, Tiger, smart.
Go ahead, Tiger. Get it. Get it. Oh, you climbing up on top of it. Oh, you beating it. Okay.
This baby is definitely Tiger.
Yes, Tiger. Fight it.
Come on, Tigre.
This ain't Spanish.
Golden. Come on,
Smokey doing.
Come on. Come on, Smokey. Oh, girl.
Smokey. You're smoking hot. Smokey, get the pink thing.
Go, hit him, Tiger.
You was trying to fight it. Alright, Tiger. He gonna get it one day. He gonna be like, it was nasty. They think it's a mouse.
They just think it's something to play with, because I used to do it so fuzzy with my belt.
They like yarn. That's why they like it's moving and stuff. He gonna fight it, watch.